All right, guys, welcome back to the Calibrate Tools and DIY channel. Today we're going to do some old school blacksmithing. Stick around, I'll see you right after this. Now, the art of metal forming, metalworking, or metallurgy goes back centuries. From ancient Africa to India, Greece, all over the ancient world, people were forging metal for various purposes. From jewelry making, weapons, building structures, to fabricating tools, to religious practices, metal was integral, high on the list of importance to these societies, especially when it came to developing their agricultural systems, hunting methods, and military strategies. Kingdoms rose and fell on their ability to manipulate iron or metal, their ability to use it as a defense mechanism or offense mechanism in warfare, as an agricultural tool, as a hunting tool. And you can say that's true today. Of course, metal forming technology has advanced since 4000 BC. You have machines to do it all. CNC machines, drill presses, lathes, just to name a few. But what if you don't have all that fancy equipment? Well, you got to do some old school blacksmithing. Okay, I know what you're thinking. How is this old school when you're using an oxyacetylene torch to heat the metal? Okay, you got me there. Oxyacetylene torches were not exactly a medieval blacksmithing tool, but for the sake of this video, let's pretend it was. Once the metal is hot enough, the blacksmith bends it around what I would call a circular anvil. He then uses a hammer to knock out any kinks in the metal so that it forms a perfect circle around the anvil.